Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you're doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to fix 1095 error on TurboTax. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. So the first thing that you need to do is, if you are encountering a 1095 error in TurboTax, it typically indicates an issue related to the form 1095A, 1095B or 1095C, which report information about health insurance coverage. So first, what you need to do is review your 1095 form. It often occurs when TurboTax is expecting information from a form 1095A, 1095B or 1095C, but either the information is missing or incorrect. Make sure you have received the correct forms from your health insurance provider. Check the form for accuracy. Form 1095A is for those who received health coverage through the marketplace. Form 1095B or 1095C are for those who have other types of health coverage through your employer or sources. Then next is to enter the information correctly. Go to the health insurance section of your health return and then follow the prompts to enter the information from the form. Be sure that you input the marketplace details like marketplace identifier, policy number and months of coverage. Then if you have received a form 1095B or 1095C, ensure you are entering coverage details accurately. TurboTax will guide you through the steps. Then next is to check the incorrect or missing information. Then make sure all data for form 1095A is entered accurately. Then TurboTax will automatically prompt you to the form 962 if needed. You can also update your TurboTax app. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did. Comment down below what the next video should be on. Consider subscribing to the channel. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.